Hello and welcome to Tech Edify. Now, if you are using WhatsApp, now today I'm going to share some new updates that has come with a WhatsApp application. Now, maybe you don't know this one, so I'm here to unveil all these new features that has come with WhatsApp. Now, let's start with the first one. We call it the AI image. Now, if you're in a chat or in a conversation and you want to send an image or generate an AI image, now when you tap on the file icon here, now you see now they have included AI image. So when you tap on it here, you need to give it a prompt on how you want an image to look like. So now let's assume maybe I want to generate an AI image of a dog watching YouTube. All right, so now when you finish, you just hit on the send and now you wait for some time to generate your image for you. All right, so now you can see the result of our AI generated image. Now it gives you more variant, which you can choose the one that you want. So I think I'll go for this one. Now, one thing is that when you tap on the make changes, now you can even animate these photos. So let's hit on animate and see what happened. All right, so now you can see that our image has been animated very nicely. So here you can just tap on it, send, and send to the person. And the second feature that has also come is that now at first, if you want to record a voice note, probably you need to just hold on the microphone icon here or strike it up. But now you can just tap on it and then automatically you can record your voice note without holding or pressing it upwards. Now let's move on to the third one. We call it the advanced chat privacy. Now if you are in a chat and then you want to restrict some of the informations that you send to people, especially medias and other stuff, now when you come here you will see the advanced chat privacy. Now it's automatically turned off. So if you enable it, now what happens is that when you send an image or you send a media to the person that you are chatting with, the person will not be able to save it on their phone, and also messages that are also used in the chat cannot be also used in the Meta AI. That is, if the person want to call out Meta AI to mention it in their conversation. And then also a chat export will also be disabled. The person will not be able to export all your chat. So this advanced chat privacy can help you to put more security or privacy on your conversation with your chat. Now the next feature that we have, you see, when you go to your updates, maybe you want to share some photos or whatever. So if I tap on the camera or the image icon, now you can see the layout. They have included a layout which can help you to arrange the photos that you want to share on your status. So let me pick up 4 images here. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right. So let's assume maybe I want to pick up these 4 media. All right. Now when I finish and I tap on this, you can change how these images should be arranged. Now this is the default one. If you want it to be this format, or you can choose it to be. So they have different layout. You can use this layout to arrange photos that you want to share on your status. So this is a new update that you can try it and see. So if you have multiple images that you want to share or arrange them in a layout form, you can go by this. And now when you are done, you hit on done, and then automatically you can share all these images that have been arranged in this layout format. All right, now they have also added what we call the message transcript. Now if you are having a WhatsApp audio note, or let's assume maybe someone have sent you an audio note and then you want to transcribe it. Now this is how you go by it. So first of all, you need to go to your settings and now come to the chat. Now when you come to the chat, make sure the voice message transcription is enable. So here you want to choose the language. So let me choose English. So you want to transcribe from English, and then you set it up now. Now after it has been enabled, one thing is that if someone sent you an audio, let's assume maybe someone sent you an audio and then you want to transcribe the audio. So when you send it out there, when you tap on it and then you go here, then you can see transcribe. Now transcribe or transcribe your message down there for you. And the last one that I will talk about it is event. Now if you are having a chat and you want to send out event, now when you tap on the event, they have included allow guests. Allow guests can help the one that you share the message to can also invite someone. So feel free, let me know if you have this update. If you don't have it, please kindly update your WhatsApp, and then you will have all these updates on. Don't forget to share this video if it has been very helpful.